Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check about phone options in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to about phone here, and here you can find a lot of information like a phone number that you are using here and the product name. This is Galaxy A15 5G. Then model name SM A15 6E DS and serial number, IMEI number, IMEI slot 1, slot 2. In status information, you can see SIM card status, SIM card status. In SIM card status, what network you are using, mobile network state, service provider info. So several information can be found here. Here you can see the IP address of your phone. Then in software information, you can see what UI your one UI version 6 is using in your phone, and Android version, which Android versions your phone has. Android 14 is used, and several options are available. Build number, Knox version. So in this way, you can easily check out different options in about phone in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.